Hey guys, we're on December 19th, doing UJ to start, breakout on the 5-minute. Yeah, this one's really nice one if you held on to it for sure. So the breakout happens just past this horizontal line. Do a tight stop loss. Maybe put it past the bottoms here. 1 to 7. Hold on to it longer. 1 to 15. Crazy. Yes, there's December 19th. Next pair, Euro USD. Move over to the 19th. Yeah, so nothing on the left here for liquidity, so you wouldn't have taken that one. It's a little bit of liquidity here, but it's not really that vertical, so it's a risky trade, but that would have got you something. Wonder what it's like if you measured it out. So the first one, breakout happens there. Maybe do there. There's a 1 to 2 for the first one. The second one, breakout happens there. Yeah, so about the same. Pretty tight, but so a couple good ones. In AU, something similar is probably going to happen here. So pretty choppy, so you wouldn't have taken that one. Little move there, might have got you 1 to 1. This one got you stopped out, but you wouldn't have taken that because after you'd realize that it's really choppy. This one here has got some decent liquidity. So that would have got you all the way down to here. Backs up. Probably would have got out here right at the bottom. Once you realized it was turning around or going horizontal. Pretty choppy though too, like looking at this, so you probably wouldn't have taken that trade. That's pretty risky. GJ going to the 19th. Similar to that last one. Oh, that's the 18th. Oh, I'm missing a day here. Oh yeah, right, okay. So yeah, there's a nice gainer there. Another gainer. Too much horizontal action, so you wouldn't have taken that trade. So it's a couple good trades. GU. Nothing on GU. AJ. Oh, there's a nice move. It's out of strategy though, like it's horizontal, plus there's nothing on the left. So it's a risky trade to take. Out of strategy for sure, but there's something there. Moving on, we got US 30. Moving over to the 19th. One signal. No vertical action. Wouldn't have taken that trade. Next chart, we got NAS 100. Going to the 19th. No signals on NAS. Here's gold. Nice vertical action on gold, but reverses. Tries to get this action up here. He might have got a little win there somewhere in there. Do a tight stop loss. It's a 1 to 8 looks like. So there's gold, Exxon. I don't really trade Exxon. So yeah, that's it for the 19th. Thanks for watching. If you do want to check out the indicator, leave a link in the description. Cheers.